Okay, there are two types of group data. Okay, so as I mentioned just now is on the first one. Okay, this one is about class. Okay, you are having group data but represent in class. Okay, so look at the difference between these two. Okay, look at the first one first. Okay, so obviously you can see that what you have here. Okay, so I have 80 to 90, 90 to 100, 100 until 10, right? So obviously you can see that it's the same. See that? Meaning to say that they will have no 0.5 difference on the lower boundary or the upper boundary. Do you realize that or not? Okay, so if you want to have the upper boundary or lower boundary, right, for this case it will be the same, meaning to say that for this class, okay, let's say this class, okay, the lower boundary is still 80, the upper boundary is still 90. Same goes with this one, the lower boundary is still 90 and the upper boundary is still 100. Is that okay? Okay, now let us look into the second one. Okay, this one. Okay, look at this. You have 10 to 19. Okay, then after that you have 20 to 29. Do you see what's the difference between these two set of data? Can you see it? Okay, so you look at the first one, you have 10 to 19, but the second one you have 20 to 29. Can you see the difference here? Okay, so in actual exam, you no need to mention or list out one by one all the lower boundary and the upper boundary itself. I will always advise you just to notify yourself, okay, by highlighting the difference like this. Like the case just now, okay? So what you need to do is you just highlight like this. Just highlight to show that the lower boundary and the upper boundary is the same. They have no 0.5 difference because it's the same. See that? But how about this one? Is it the same? No. So meaning to say that the lower boundary and the upper boundary having 0.5 difference. Is that okay? They have 0.5 difference. What does it mean? Okay, like for example, if let's say you want to highlight the first one, okay, you want to highlight the first one, so the lower boundary for the first class will be 9.5, the upper boundary for the first class will be 19.5. Okay, same goes with the second one, lower boundary 19.5, upper boundary 29.5. Okay, so this one will be 29.5, 39.5 for your upper boundary, and so on. Okay, can you understand with this? Okay, so that's the difference between these two sets. Okay, is that okay? Okay, good.